Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning English. In today's video, you will get how to avoid common mistakes while using auxiliary verbs do, does, did in negative and interrogative sentences. Many people have such confusion. If you have so this video is for you. Let's get started. Simple present, doesn't, don't. We use doesn't, don't in negative sentences. In simple past, we use didn't. So, come to the exercise. I doesn't like coffee. Right? I doesn't like coffee. You remember, does goes with singular subjects. He, she, it. He doesn't, she doesn't, and it doesn't. With first person pronoun, don't, not doesn't. Okay? First person pronoun agrees with don't. So, instead of doesn't, the correct is don't. I don't like coffee. She don't go to school. She third person singular subject agrees with doesn't. So instead of don't, doesn't. She doesn't go to school. Does she like music? You remember, in negative and interrogative sentences, when you use do, does and did, okay, the main form must be in the base form, right? Does she likes music? Does agrees with the subject she likes music. The main verb must be base form of a verb. So instead of likes, that will be like. Like is the base form. Like, liked, liked. Do he speak English? Subject he agrees with does, not do. Third person singular subject. So instead of do, does. Does he speak English? He doesn't go to gym. This is how he agrees with doesn't, because this is third person singular subject. But the main verb goes. The base form of verb not goes. This is go. He doesn't go to gym. Does they come here often? This is one interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, the auxiliary verb comes to the front. Does they? They is the subject. Third person plural subject agrees with do, not does, not does. So instead of does, do. Do they come here often? She not like spicy food. She not. This is one negative sentence. In negative sentence, there must be auxiliary verb. So, this will be does not. She does not like spicy food. We doesn't like tea. With first person pronoun agrees with don't, not doesn't. So, instead of doesn't, don't. We don't like tea. In the other hand, simple past. In simple past, we use didn't, did not. Okay? You remember, all types of subjects. In simple past, all types of subjects agree with didn't. And the main verb must be in the base form. Right? So, he didn't. Went to the market. Where will be the wrong? Wrong in the main verb. Instead of went, that will be go, base form of a verb. He didn't go to the market. Did you saw the movie? This is how did agrees with you. Didn't agrees with he. Okay, all kinds of subjects agree with did, didn't. Okay. Did you saw the movie? The main verb must be in the base form. So instead of saw, she. Did you see the movie? She didn't eat the lunch. She didn't eat the lunch. She didn't eat. Eat is the past form of a verb. What will be its base form? Eat. She didn't eat the lunch. Did he wrote the mail? This is one interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, did he wrote? Wrote is the past form of a verb. Instead of that, write. Did he write the mail? Did she sing at the party? Did she sings? The base form of verb is sing. Did she sing at the party? He didn't knew the answer. He didn't knew. The base form know. Okay, know, knew, known. In negative and interrogative sentence, for simple past, we use know, base form of verb with didn't. He didn't know the answer. They didn't went to the school. Okay, they didn't went to school. Didn't. They didn't. Went is the past form verb. Instead of past form, there will be the base form go. Already I have posted videos how to use do, does, did in negative and interrogative sentences. You will get the link in the description box. I hope you understood the exercise better. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Keep practicing. Thank you.